New DEWALT tools you've probably never seen before. What's up, everyone? If you're into DIY, repair work, or just love building stuff, chances are you've got some DEWALT in your toolbox already. But today, I'm showing you some DEWALT tools you've probably never seen before. Let's dive in. DEWALT introduces the DCN660, our most advanced, lightweight, compact 16-gauge cordless finish nailer. Fueled by DEWALT's 20V max lithium-ion battery and XR brushless motor, this finish nailer is ready to fire with the power to countersink 16-gauge 2.5-inch angled finish nails into oak. No compressors, no hoses, and no gas is required for operation, so you can get right to the job without the additional expense or hassle. Equipped with our XR brushless motor, this next-generation cordless finish nailer is 1 inch shorter and 2.3 pounds lighter than our previous cordless finish nailer. It's ready to fire in sequential or bump actuation modes, with bright LED lights that help illuminate your work surface. This nailer has enough runtime to fire up to 800 nails on a single charge. Nobody likes waiting for batteries to charge, right? This 12-amp fast charger works with 20V max and flexible 20V/60V max batteries. High charging rate means you're back to work faster. Two-stage LED indicator shows charging status and when it's fully charged. Internal fan circulates air to reduce hot and cold pack delays, so you're charging faster overall. You can mount it on the wall for easy storage. Comes with the DCB1112 charger and 2 batteries. PowerShift Concrete Power Screed. Alright, from pipes to concrete. The PowerShift Concrete Power Screed is built for leveling and finishing concrete, and trust me, it takes the back-breaking work out of the equation. Variable speed trigger goes from 0 to 7,800 vibrations per minute. That's enough power to handle stiff concrete or break up fresh cold joints. The handlebars are adjustable, and the controls rotate 180 degrees, so you can set it up however works best for you. Makes concrete finishing way more manageable. 20V max pipe deburring tool. Here's something special: the world's first battery-powered pipe deburring tool. After you cut tubing, you've got to deal with those sharp edges, right? This tool makes it effortless. Paddle trigger and variable speed switch give you total control. Works on copper, PVC, EMT, stainless steel, black iron, you name it. Handles inner diameters as small as 0.3 inches and outer diameters over 2 inches. Perfect for plumbing, electrical, and HVAC work.
Let's start with the DEWALT 20V max plastic tubing cutter, DCE1112V, because this one is a real game changer if you deal with plastic pipes often. It cuts through plastic materials up to 2 inches in diameter, giving you clean and burr-free edges every single time. On top of that, it works up to 3 times faster than doing it manually, which means you're saving a ton of effort and time. What really makes it versatile is that you get both automatic and manual cutting modes, so you can pick the pace and precision you want for the job. The LED indicator is a thoughtful touch too, giving you extra visibility when you're lining up cuts. Built from corrosion-resistant stainless steel and shaped with a D-handle design, it's balanced, comfortable, and tough enough to last through heavy site work.